A lot of people ask about transportation and how the whole process works of these buildings getting put up. The ideal way would be us bring all of our equipment to site on one truck, and we build on site. So we go with a tilt-up method. And the reason for that is as we're building, we can manipulate the panels to suit. So that last panel would be measured rather than pre-built. Typically we just pre-built them to the plans because the plans are super accurate these days. The other one is you can build them off-site and transport them in. That's an extra cost. And the other factor with that is now you're triple handing the panels. You're lifting them from the tables into a rack. You're lifting them from a rack onto a truck, and from a truck you're lifting them into place. So there's some risks of damage of the panels there. So handling the panels once opposed to 3 times is a benefit. Also, when we're building on things like islands, we just take our equipment on a barge to the island, and we hopefully have a concrete source. If we don't have a concrete source, then we might consider building them off the islands and taking the panels to the island and craning on. It all comes down to logistics with size of cranes available, concrete plant available, etc.